All right, we're going to get Kansas City-like weather, and it may include, I can't get over this, a few inches of snow. I can't recall, I've been here almost 20 years, I can't recall this much snow.
So in 17 with Harvey, we had one snow in particular, we had 1 to 2 inches.
Okay.
And that was a lot.
Okay.
So if we get 5 inches,
shut the city down.
well, yeah, it will. We're not good in that, and it should. So just maybe we take Tuesday off and maybe Wednesday morning as well. Depends on how this all plays out, but the ingredients are certainly there. Here's the deal. Cold air arrives Sunday morning. Very cold for the marathon. Winter weather, if it happens, Monday night through Tuesday. And then a hard freeze Wednesday morning. We may drop down into the teens for lows as we head into Wednesday morning. Here's the weekend. Saturday, tomorrow's beautiful. It's cooler. Highs in the low 60s, north breeze kind of picks up in the afternoon, then it's cold and windy on Sunday, 35, 45. We'll struggle to make that 45. The marathon, it's hard enough to run the distance. You got to do it in 30-degree temperatures with a feels-like temperature in the 20s. Now, sky conditions will be mostly sunny, but very windy and cold. So running or not, bundle up, cover those fingers and toes and your nose and everything. Current temps, Yellowknife 26 below, 33 below at Old Crow, 20 below at Churchill. That's pushing south. That's the blob of Arctic air that's headed our way. Right now, jet stream, this is the northern branch of the jet right here. And you can think of this as a cup. Okay, so this is holding that pool of cold air. Well, the base of the cup is going to sink south. That's going to allow the cold to drop south all the way into Texas and all the way to the Gulf Coast. So the cold air, ingredient number 1, is going to be in place, cold enough to freeze. Ingredient number 2, see that? That's an upper level trough, an upper level disturbance that is going to swing through and get in here Monday night and Tuesday. Now, these upper level troughs, this is the upper level flow, help to lift the atmosphere. So you need lift to make clouds and precipitation. Now, to get it to precipitate, you need moisture. And we're also going to have that because while all that's happening at the upper levels, down at the surface, low pressure is going to form here off the Texas coast. That counterclockwise rotation is going to sling moisture into Texas. So we got the moisture in place, we got the cold air in place, we got the upper level lift coming in, all coming together right at the same time. And that's what you have to get snow here. That's why it's so difficult to get it to snow here. We rarely get all 3 of these ingredients coming together. So here's what it looks like on the models then. Snow begins central Texas and near Houston by 4 o'clock Monday afternoon. This is the American model. Snow expands across East Texas, Central Texas, and from I-10 northward going into 10 a.m. Monday. A lot of snow up here in our northern counties by 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. Tuesday during the day continues to snow. The pink is sleet, all the blue is snow, the green is rain, and then it exits going into Tuesday night. Here's the European. It begins to snow 10 p.m. Monday. More snow all day Tuesday morning. That puts the snow band right across the heart of Houston and southeast Texas. And then it exits Tuesday afternoon. And that's what you need to get several inches of snow. That's why the models are putting out 5 inches of snow. At this point, I think it's just kind of take it moment to moment and we'll watch and see how this plays out. We know what the potential is. Now, temperatures, 42 Sunday afternoon. 27 Monday morning, no snow at that point, just cold Monday morning. By Monday afternoon, temps just above freezing, then they drop, and then it snows 7 a.m. Tuesday morning, 28 with sleet or snow, a possibility. We don't get above freezing on Tuesday, we drop down into the teens Wednesday morning. That's the hard freeze morning. So if you want to get those pipes and exposed faucets and water lines covered up, make sure they're covered up by Wednesday morning. Those are the temperatures you really need to pose a serious threat to exposed pipes. As far as your house, as long as someone is home, you've got the heater running in the 60s, low 70s, you should be fine with the interior pipes of the house. But if the power goes out or no one's home, that's when it can be a problem. Here's the extended then. There's the front coming in. Sunday's windy and cold. It'll be Monday afternoon and evening that the winter mix begins. I've got a 70% chance for sleet and snow on Tuesday. That's a weather impact alert day lit up in red. Wednesday is another weather impact alert day. Now, we won't have sleet and snow Wednesday, but the first half of Wednesday morning, bridges and overpasses and roads could still be iced over, and that would have huge impacts for folks trying to get around. I think roads clear Wednesday evening, and then we improve things Thursday and Friday. That's a lot. That's where we stand, guys. Back to you.
We're going to be inundated on social media with photographs, pictures, video of the snow. I can't wait.